Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to update Google Chrome. So first of all, we go to the upper right corner and we can see there is an update waiting for. Sometimes you don't have it, but when it's available and the Chrome shows it, and to update it you go to Help and About Google Chrome. Now you can see it is checking for update and it's updating Chrome. So we gonna wait until it's downloaded. You can also use this shortcut over here. The shortcut appears whenever there's an update ready, but to see whether Google Chrome is up to date, you have to go to the About Chrome and check if something is there to be updated. So it's 100%. In a moment it will show that it's almost done, and you just have to relaunch the browser. And again, checking for updates, and Chrome is now up to date. So that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.